In this video, I want to teach you how to make money listening to music on SoundCloud directly from your smartphone. You earn money just by doing what many people do every day, that is listening to music. You make so much money from it. And so you have a new source of extra income every week. Whenever you listen to music, you earn money. For me, this combination is perfect, isn't it? You can earn money simply by listening to music you like at any time of your day, whether you're studying, cooking, driving, whatever. And besides all that, this method is very simple, very easy, and anyone can do it. For me, this is great because most of my day I listen to music, whether it's going to the gym, in the car, studying, and even working. So imagine you doing all this and still earning money listening to music you like. But first, I only ask for one thing in exchange for this video on my time. That's you hit the like and comment button on this video so that YouTube can show this video to more people and so that this video can help many people earn money while listening to music. Seriously, this really helps the video a lot. One of the main reasons why I'm making this video is that a lot of people and even I spend many hours listening to music a day, but I have never gotten anything in return. That's when I discovered that you can make money listening to music you like, and this method of money making listening to music is completely free to get started. The reason why you won't have to pay for anything is because this method is done directly from SoundCloud while you listen to music. This method that I'm going to present to you is exclusively focused so that you can make real money anywhere in the world. You will only need a cell phone and an internet connection. You can do it without investing any money. As I already said, you just need to know how to do it correctly, and that's what I'm going to explain this method with step-by-step guide. So make sure you watch every second of this video as carefully as possible, as many people make mistakes at this point in the process, especially when you've never used the app or website before. It's a simple and quick method to do because you just need to listen to a song and you'll be rewarded within the app with real money. It's a very simple method to do, seriously. The first time I saw this, I was very surprised because it is such a simple thing to do. Anyone can do it without problems. The other day I went to the gym, I listened to music and I made money. So let's get started to what matters most. That's why you are in this video. As I said before, you're going to be making money just doing what a lot of people do every day. That is listening to music. I don't know if you know, but there are several sites where you can make money by listening to music. But yeah, I'm going to show you the site called rev.com because it pays more for each song and it's simpler than the others. On this site, we basically exchange our visualization of the music for real money within the application. We can transcribe the lyrics of a song, create a subtitle for the song, and translate the song. That is, you decide how you want to work and what to do with the site. These are small tasks that pay well. You might be wondering how can a website pay for simply doing small tasks. It's very simple to understand. If you have a new song and suddenly you want to buy views or like for it so that your name or brand grows within the social network, the simplest and fastest way to do this is by buying views, logging into the site that sells likes and views. There are artists and musicians who do not have support for music platforms like Spotify, and they need to comply with some rules such as subtitles on the song, and to facilitate this work, they hire and pay people to do this task, But in this application, there is no music for you to listen. You have all the songs. As I said before, this method is done by SoundCloud. That is all the songs and genres that exist in other social networks. The process is very similar, but what really counts for these sites are the tasks and works. By doing this, you kind of break the platform's algorithm, causing the singer and song to gain more likes, comment, and recognition. That is, the application basically takes a part of this amount, which it charges for the services, and distributes it to you who will view, listen to the music, translate the subtitles. All it does is share the profit with you. This site, as I said before, is called rev.com. It basically does music services. Among these services are the ones I just told you about. The first step to start earning money is to open the official SoundCloud website. You can use app or website either through Google or App Store on your smartphone. I'll do it step by step on the computer because it's easier to explain. The second step is you register on SoundCloud so you can have access to its services. You will need to enter your email and a secure password. It's a very simple, it's easy, the same as any other site. The registration process has 3 steps. You will need to see your email to confirm the registration. Anything, just check the spam for steps. You will need to do the same thing with the site or rev.com. You will access it and register as you just did for SoundCloud. After accessing our ID, you need to make sure your email account is the same as the one you put on SoundCloud. That is on rev.com and on SoundCloud. The email needs to be the same email account so that the app recognizes that you've had the song. After making sure everything is okay, let's move on to the next steps. Do this step by step that will appear on your screen exactly the same way to make it easier for you to understand. Basically, this is the process. You have the options for what choices and tasks to do after doing them. Your money will be already credited to your application account. Then just withdraw it. It's just the little money per songs. But if you play music for 1 hour, you will earn around $20. Imagine you are listening to music every day until the end of the month. It depends on your effort. I took a test and in 1 hour I listened to music on this app for about $20. If you don't like this method of listening to music, there are several ways to make money on the internet. So don't get stuck making money listening to music. If you prefer to watch your YouTube videos, I've already made the video explaining the step by step right for you. I really recommend that you watch it. I prefer watching videos on YouTube better than listening to music from time to time. It depends on each one because YouTube videos are less tiring. Remembering I only ask for one thing in exchange for this video is that you press the like and comment button on this video so that YouTube can show this video to more people so that this video can also help many of them. Seriously, this really helps the video. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Don't forget to watch the other video on how to make money watching YouTube videos.